Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Super Geek and today I'm going to tell you about some tips and tricks on Windows 11. So this is the Windows 11 developer preview which I'm running on my virtual machine, and it is the most recent version which Microsoft released to the insiders. And today I'm going to tell you about some tips and tricks on this developer preview. But before talking about the tips and tricks, if you want to know how I install this on my virtual machine, there's a video I've done in the past. If you want to watch that video, there's a link in the I button above and in the description as well. Now let's talk about the first trick of this video, and the trick is how to get these icons aligned to the left of the taskbar instead of being in the center. Now to get that, all you have to do is right click on taskbar, click on taskbar settings, scroll down, click on taskbar behavior, and under taskbar alignment select left instead of center. So as you can see, the icons are aligned to the left of the taskbar instead of being in the center. Okay, the next trick is how you can remove these default icons from the taskbar to get a more cleaner look. So how to remove these icons from the taskbar? All you have to do is right click on the taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and now you can enable or disable these icons from here. So as you can see, you can choose which one to show, which one to hide. That's pretty neat. So Microsoft added that in the settings. There's one more way how you can do that, is just right click on these icons and hide from taskbar. See, you can remove those and the taskbar is much cleaner now. Okay, the third trick is how you can get the Windows 10 style start menu on Windows 11. Okay, to enable that is pretty easy, but you have to fiddle around in the registry editor of Windows 11. Okay, if you want to know how to do that, all you have to do is go to the description of this video. There's a link to the article which I wrote, and that will help you to enable Windows 10 style start menu on Windows 11. Okay, now for the next trick, I'm going to tell you how you can get this translucent taskbar on Windows 11. And for that you have to install a utility called Taskbar X1. This is the same utility which you use on Windows 10. It is just the optimized version for Windows 11. So I have it right here. All you have to do is go to the folder and launch Taskbar X1 configurator. So once you launch that, you see a bunch of options right here. Let me show you. So there are a lot of options. The default one, see, the taskbar is back to default, and if you want to go transparent, completely transparent, that looks awesome too. So as you can see, the taskbar is completely transparent and it looks really awesome. But I'm going to go with blur because that looks a little bit more classy than completely transparent. See, it looks really awesome. And the download link for this utility is in the description as well. Just go ahead and download that. And if you want this translucent taskbar on your Windows 10, there's a video about that too, which I've did in the past. Just find that link in the description below. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Windows 11. As you can see, everything is in the light mode right now, even the action center and this calendar. So now I'm going to tell you how you can enable a dark mode. So for that, all you have to do is go to settings, click on personalization, and as you can see, there are a couple themes on the top. You can just click on these to get the dark mode working, but I'm going to tell you how you can enable just the dark mode without changing anything in your theme. Just go to colors, and as you can see, it shows choose your mode. Just click on dark and everything will turn dark. See, everything is dark now. It looks much cleaner, much cool than before. So as you can see, the dark mode is working and it looks pretty awesome everywhere. on the start screen as well, start menu as well, sorry. So it looks really awesome. Even the Microsoft Edge turned dark when you enable the dark theme, and it looks pretty good. Okay, now for the next trick, I'm going to show you how you can get that floating keyboard on Windows 11. So all you have to do is bring up the touch keyboard, click on settings on the top left, and go to keyboard layout and click on small. So as you can see, the small keyboard pops up and it looks pretty awesome. You can even resize it. I don't know if you can. No, you cannot resize it. You have to use the same size. And now I'm going to tell you how you can theme your keyboard on Windows 11. So I'm going to revert back to the big keyboard, so the default one, and all you have to do is just click on this setting right here and go to themes and resize. So once you do that, you go to the settings, just close the keyboard for now, and as you can see here, there are some preset themes which looks great. See, these themes looks awesome. What's more awesome is you can create your own theme, as I'm having it right here. So to get your own custom theme, all you have to do is click on edit right here, and you get a couple of options. On the first tab, it's text, so you can choose text color from here. Then you can choose suggestion text color, and on the next tab you get keys color and transparency. As you can see, you can increase or decrease the transparency. It looks pretty awesome. I'm going to go with white, and I'm going to go with text with black, everything black on white. And on the window section, you can choose your own image, or you can go with solid color. I've chose my own image, so I'm going to apply this. Just click on save, and as you can see, my keyboard is themed as I want. So it looks really awesome. You can add any background image to the keyboard, and it looks really neat. Now the next trick is about the widget pane. So as you can see here, this is the widget pane where you see a lot of widgets and the news below. So now I'm going to tell you how you can add or remove widgets. So as you can see, there is an add widget right here. If you click that button, you will see more options. So you can just click on add, and it will be added to your widget pane. As you can see, there are more widgets now than before. See, and what you can do is you can resize the widgets to fit them more better on your widgets pane. So what you can do is just click on this option button. You can go ahead and choose from the 3 available options. Just click on that and it will be done. Like if you want small one, you can go ahead and choose the small one. If you want the bigger one, you can go with large. So see, it looks really awesome. And I don't know if there will be more themes in the future. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next trick, which is customizing Action Center. As you can see, this is the Action Center right here, and to customize this, all you have to do is right click on that, or you can click on this pencil button right here. Just click on that and you can arrange these buttons on the Action Center. See, you can arrange those, and you can add and even remove from these. So if you click on add, you will get this option. You can add more. So once you're done with customizing, just click on done and your Action Center will be customized. Okay, so the next trick is about snapping windows on Windows 11. So as you can see, Microsoft has added some new features to snap windows in Windows 11. And let me show you. If you hover your mouse over the maximize icon, you get these options, so you can snap your windows better and easily. As you can see, it shows 4 options, and what you can do is you can scroll down and choose one of these apps. See, snapping windows is even easier on Windows 11. It looks really awesome, and you can even change the layout again. Just click on that. See, snapping windows is really awesome and easy on Windows 11. Okay, so the next trick is how you can get the old context menu on Windows 11. So if you right click anywhere on Windows 11, you see this new style of context menu, and if you want the old context menu back, all you have to do is just click on this show more options and you will see the old context menu. This trick is almost useless because Microsoft is going to remove this feature from Windows 11, the final version, because there's no use for it in the final version of Windows 11. So if you right click anywhere on the Windows 11, the current version of Windows 11, you will see this show more option, and if you click that, you will see the old context menu. So that's pretty much it for this video. And if you know more tips and tricks about Windows 11, just tell me in the comments and I'll add them in my next video of Windows 11. So that's it for now, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.